Hi guys. We have seen like how we can declare very vararg, and also we have learned about generics. So I want to give you one more example about generics. That is how you can use them in Kotlin when we are going to, when not in Kotlin, not in Android, when we are going to use them. So for example, when we are going to pass the data from server to, like, when you have a server and you are implementing the APIs and you are going to pass the values, the response from the server to the classes, then for that also we normally declare our response class, which accept any number, any type of data classes which we create. So for this, basically what we do is we created like this sealed class result that accept the t, like any whatever type we have. Then we can say data, and data is also, well, that is data, and that is also going to be type t, because the data which we are going to get. And it can be, it may or may not, if you want, it can be nullable. And then we can have the message where you want to pass extra, you can create, and that will be a string. It can be null also, like this, right? And now let's create the class. We have what it says, redeclaration result class. We have, I think, created or somewhere else, name it like result2 for this example, because we have declared a class, sealed class. Like, this is going to be result class, which we going to pass the data and message, whatever additional message you want. Then you can create the class inside it, like this class success, and that is like, it will also be like t. And in this you can pass the data like this, and it will be result 2, like this, with type t, and we are going to pass the data. So this is how you can create the success class. It will be a generic class that is accepting the any data. And also, when you are going to have error for the same, we can declare it like this, error, and it will accept the, in constructor we're going to pass message string, which we have, right? And also we are going to pass the data that we have. Now we have to define it, the return type result2, again t type, and going to pass the data. So guys, this is how also you can declare the your response class, which is result class basically, which is going to handle the result. Also you can add for loading. So it's a generic class which can accept any type of data class, or when you are going to implement retrofit or response type, if we had any kind of, then you can directly implement it and you can pass. So guys, that's all. That was the additional example I wanted to show for generics. Thank you for watching. Do like, comment, and subscribe. Cheers guys, hope you have learned something new today. Bye.